Oh, I'm not asleep. What's up, fam? It's your girl Sweet Pea back with another video. So, if y'all like the way I reinstalled my hair, because I know why y'all clicked on the button. I know why y'all clicked on it, because y'all wanted to see how I reinstall my braided lace front wig that I braided with the lace already cut. Doing the baby hair all over again, even though the lace is already cut. How do you do it? A lot of people ask me that. I'm going to show you an easy way to do it, step by step. How I keep it looking lustrous. All the frizzies gone, nice and tight. Stay tuned. Coming straight from my clean wig container, here she is. As you can see, I'm going to start by taking my wig and exposing the lace. I got my washcloth right here. I'm going to squirt a couple of squirts of some rubbing alcohol on it and clean the inside of the lace. I do clean my wigs as soon as I take them off. I remove all glue from the lace and then I store them. And before I put my used wigs on again, I do clean the lace like this with alcohol. Since the baby hair is looking all crazy like this, y'all know from following me, anytime I use a used wig, I always brush down the baby hairs and tie it down with this Velcro for a few minutes, just so that everything could be flat for easy installation. Since my ball cap method is already dry and done, I'm going to go ahead and pull it back farther enough to where I think my wig cap will not show under my wig. Then I'm going to cut it off. You can look inside of the description for the easiest ball cap method ever. No holes, no sewing, no nothing, just plain ball cap. So now I'm going to take my alcohol and squirt some on my washcloth so that I can clean my edges, because y'all know when y'all trying to glue down that lace front, it will not stick if it is not clean. So now I'm mixing my MAC foundation with my Beauty Supply concealer, and I'm just going to jot it on to get a color that matches close to my skin that I can do. Using my Ghost Bond glue, I'm going to start adding glue to my sideburns first, and then by the time the glue that I put on my top portion of my forehead and the sides, by the time that glue dries, it will be then evenly dried with my sideburns. Y'all try it out and let me know how it worked for you. Start with the sideburns, then do the top and the sides, and let me know how it worked for you. Because these are braids and they are heavy, I'm going to go in with my freeze spray and just spray a little spray in the parts of my braids and blow dry, just for a little bit of extra security and a little bit of extra firm hold. So now I'm going to go ahead and take some of my black strips and just tie it down for a few minutes just to make sure I have a really firm hold. Again, these are braids and the braids are heavy. So now that I feel a little bit more secure, I can go ahead and take these strips off. You guys know I hate doing baby hair, so I'm just going to like brush it down a little bit, make it look a little bit decent. I will not be doing any fancy baby hair really. Just make it a little bit decent. I absolutely love the way this wig came out. You know, ladies, if you guys are going to throw away your wig, before you throw it away, I recommend doing some box braids or some French braids on a style you maybe want to try, or, you know, just have a different look. The braids last so long and they're so easy to maintain, and it looks like your hair. So I absolutely love them. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you want to see some different styles or have some video requests, let me know and I'll hook them up.